So to get all the oil out of the spark plugs, because it's full, I found a very messy way. As you can tell, there's literally splats of oil everywhere. I just got the air and put a cloth on top, sprayed down the hole, and it's nice and dry. Air was most effective, but I still didn't get it all out. I used cotton buds, you name it, I tried it. Look at how much oil's still in there. Definitely drop some into the cylinders, shouldn't cause any problems. But is there a better way to get out this oil? Let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more little bits like this.
I'm not quite sure why it had a misfire.